Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. Make sure you have a large pitcher, a sturdy juicer, and a spoon for stirring. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get that delicious lemon juice. Before cutting, roll each lemon firmly on a countertop to help release more juice. Then, slice each lemon in half. Use your juicer to extract all the juice, aiming for approximately 1 cup. This fresh juice is the heart of your homemade lemonade. With your lemon juice ready, it's time to create the simple syrup. In your pitcher, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water. Stir continuously until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear syrup. This ensures your lemonade won't have any grainy texture. Next, pour in your fresh lemon juice. Finally, add 3 cups of cold water to your pitcher and stir everything thoroughly. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness if you like. You can add a little more sugar or water. Serve your refreshing lemonade over ice with a few fresh lemon slices for garnish. It's perfect for a warm day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.